watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. A clearer picture on the political situation in Maharashtra is expected to emerge today. Last night, Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray met the NCP chief Sharad Pawar, Aditya Thackeray and Sanjay Raut were also present at this meeting. Sources say that during this meeting, the NCP and Shiv Sena may have reached a final deal on the government formation in Maharashtra. Former BJP ally Shiv Sena has once again attacked the Modi government on economic slowdown and downfall in job growth. Sena blamed the demonetization and implementation of GST for the state of economy in the country in its mouthpiece Samna. Sena has earlier also claimed that the retail business across the country is suffering, while the online business continues to help the foreign countries make huge amount of profits. The ongoing protest in JNU over hostel fee hike may end today as the High Power Committee set by the HRD Ministry to look into the matter will hold talks with the JNU student body today. The students have been protesting since November 11th. The fee was partially rolled back after the hundreds of students protested against the fee hike. They also clashed with the police on the university's convocation day. Congress protest at Jantar Mantar today against the withdrawal of the SPG security cover for the Gandhi family. Congress is demanding that the SPG security cover must be given back. Meanwhile, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also hit out at the government, calling it a political move. Congress earlier also launched protests in the Lok Sabha against the withdrawal of SPG cover from the Gandhi family. Congress has also given a notice in the Lok Sabha against the centre's move last week. The Home Ministry removed SPG's cover of the Gandhi family and replaced it with Z+ security. Union Minister Piyush Goyal hits out at Congress over electoral bonds. Goyal says electoral bonds brought in honest money in politics. He made the remarks after Congress protested in the Lok Sabha, saying that through the issuance of electoral bonds, the government had made corruption official. Congress claims that electoral bonds had become instruments of anonymous political fundings, bordering on opaque money laundering. Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan on Thursday held a telephonic conversation with US President Donald Trump and discussed the Kashmir issue with him. Apart from the bilateral and regional matters, Pakistan has been trying to internationalize the Kashmir issue, but India has asserted that the removal of special status of Kashmir under Article 370 was its internal matter. Remember, Donald Trump has repeatedly offered to mediate between India and Pakistan to resolve the Kashmir issue. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.